set up a beauty salon in Dubai or UAE? Are you considering starting your own beauty salon in Dubai or UAE? With a thriving beauty industry and endless opportunities, setting up a salon can be a rewarding business venture. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to set up a salon and explain how we Maju Management Consultancy will assist you to do the same. Types of salons in the UAE. In the UAE, salons are categorized as gents salon and ladies salons. Interestingly, while unisex salons are not officially recognized, many gents salons serve all genders, offering services to kids, ladies and men under one roof. This flexibility has made such salons popular with influencers and high-end clienteles. Licensing authority. The first step to setting up a salon is obtaining a trade license. The license is issued by the Dubai Economic Department (DED) for Dubai or its counterparts in other Emirates. Once your trade name is reserved, you are on the way to opening your salon. Finding the perfect location. Location is everything. When it comes to a salon, your choice should depend on the target audience and budget. If you're targeting to the niche clientele, Jumeirah might be the better option. Or areas like Dubai, Abu Dhabi and the Northern Emirates also offer excellent opportunities. A high traffic locations can boost visibility and attract more clients. Planning your salon facility. Your salon's layout and ambience play a key role in attracting and retaining customers. Whether you are setting up a high-end salon or a budget-friendly facility, designing the space to align with UAE standards is crucial. From selecting equipment to choosing the right decor, Maju Management Consultancy connects you with experienced contractor to create a space that reflects your vision. Registration process. Once you have finalized the location and design, the next step is registering your salon. The process includes submitting your trade name and business licensing process. With our expertise, we will ensure that your paperwork is handled smoothly, saving your time and your effort. At Maju Management Consultancy, we will provide you with complete package, including registration of your salon, your brand name, your trade license process, connecting you to the proper contractors for designing. We'll guide you through each and every step, ensuring compliance with local regulations and creating a seamless setup process. Final touches for your successful salon. Once your salon is set up, you will need to focus on building up your brand and attracting clientele, offering top quality services, creating a welcoming atmosphere, and marketing your salon effectively are the key to your success. Opening a salon in Dubai or UAE is an exciting opportunity. To make your mark in the booming industry with the right guidance and support, your salon can become the trusted name in the beauty and grooming industry in UAE. Let's help you every step of the way to create a salon that stands out. Thank you.